Namaste everyone. I hope everyone is doing well, everyone is healthy. Today I'm here to tell a story about the origination of Jor. Few days back I have mentioned about the Ayurvedic management of fever. In Ayurveda, fever is known as Jor. It's a Vedic story. It's mentioned in Ayurveda classics in Charak Nidan Sthan and Charak Chikitsa Sthan. Charak Nidan Sthan, the story is very short, it's very brief. In Nidan Sthan is mentioned that fever, Jor, originated from the anger of Lord Rudra. Lord Rudra is the another name of Lord Shiva. In Charak Chikitsa Sthan, in Jor Chikitsa Adhyay, it's mentioned that the story starts from Treta Yuga. In Treta Yuga, it's told that the earth was ruled by the demons. Earth was full of violence. It was not following any rules and regulations. And Lord Shiva knew that it was not good. Daksha Prajapati was the king of earth that time. And he was capable of solving this problem. But did not solve anything. And the gods and Lord Shiva knew that Daksha Prajapati is not doing anything. So one day, what happened? Daksha Prajapati performed a puja, a home. And he invited each and every god, but did not invite Lord Shiva. Even after being advised by Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu to invite Lord Shiva. But Daksha Prajapati did not invite Lord Shiva. Daksha Prajapati was the son of Lord Brahma. When the yagya, the prayer puja was going on, Daksha Prajapati skipped the mantras of Lord Shiva, the Lord of animals. He did not perform any puja, any mantras of Lord Shiva, and ended the puja in that way. Lord Shiva came to know about the lackings of the puja, and he became very angry. He came to the palace and to the Daksha Prajapati's palace, and he was very angry. A boy, small boy, took birth from the body of Lord Shiva when he was angry. That boy was having 3 heads, 9 eyes, and very small legs. And his body was very hot. His body was a fire was coming out from his body. Eyes were red. He was very fierce, very angry. So that boy was killing everyone, was destroying the earth, was killing. That boy killed Daksha Prajapati. So by seeing this, Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma, and the Sapta Rishis came to Lord Shiva and told that please make that boy calm, because that boy took birth from your body and you are the only one to make that boy calm. Lord Shiva made that boy quiet, make that boy calm, and asked that boy to stop. That boy stopped, became calm and quiet, and asked Lord Shiva that, sir, now what can I do for you? Lord Shiva told that now your name is Jor. You will occur during the birth and during the death, and when the person is doing something unwholesome. So Lord Shiva, like this, Jor originated from the anger of Lord Shiva. So now here I have to tell another thing, that is why Daksha Prajapati did not like Lord Shiva. Daksha Prajapati's daughter Sati married Lord Shiva against the will of her father Daksha Prajapati. Daksha Prajapati thought Lord Shiva to be very dirty, did not wear proper clothes, was not fit for any puja. Daksha Prajapati was the disciple of Lord Vishnu. That's why he did not like Lord Shiva. I hope you like the story, and thank you. Here ends the story. Thank you. Stay healthy and fine.